Welcome to CarVerse, your favorite spot for car reviews that are fun, simple, and just like chatting with a buddy. Today, we're diving into something special, the 2025 Cadillac XLR. Remember this beauty from 2003 to 2009? Well, it's making a big comeback, blending modern tech, classic luxury, and plenty of power. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start where the magic happens, under the hood, because honestly, that's where all the fun begins, right? The 2025 XLR is rumored to have a few powertrain options, including some seriously beefy V8 engines and electrified versions. And if you're a numbers person, hang on tight. That V8 is expected to pump out around 500 horsepower. Yeah, that's some serious oomph right there. So whether you're hitting the gas on the highway or just trying to impress the neighbors, this thing's got you covered. Oh, and with an adaptive suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive, you're looking at a ride that's smooth enough for Sunday drives and sharp enough for curvy back roads. Now let's talk about the looks, because let's face it, this car's gonna turn heads. The 2025 XLR is expected to rock bold lines, sculpted curves, and those sleek aerodynamic touches that scream, "Yeah, I'm fast." The LED headlights, super sharp. And that big, bold front grille, you'll be the one everyone's checking out at the stoplight. Step inside, and it's pure luxury. Think leather seats so comfy you'll want to take the long way home, brushed aluminum accents that make you feel fancy, and top-notch materials everywhere you look. Plus the tech? Oh, Cadillac's going all out. A huge touchscreen, ambient, lighting to set the vibe, and driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. It's like they gave the car a brain and a soul. Now let's address the big question. Price. Yeah, this one's not cheap. The 2025 XLR is expected to start somewhere between $100,000 and $120,000. But hey, that's the luxury sports car life for you. Production kicks off in December 2024, and you'll see these beauties rolling into showrooms by February 2025. So, what do we think? The revival of the Cadillac XLR looks like it's going to be a big deal. Power? Check. Style? Double check. Tech and luxury? Oh, absolutely. It's shaping up to be a total game changer in the luxury convertible market. Thanks for hanging out with me here at CarVerse. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. What do you think about the 2025 XLR? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take it for a spin? Until next time, take care and drive safe out there.